Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, so in this video we are going to solve this formula challenge, and that is we have team 1, team 2 and then the result of that match. And this is our expected result, that we need to have the teams and then their goals. So let's start it. So these all will be our input argument, and we're going to generate a lambda out of this. So let's say this data set is our input, the entire data set. So in that case, so try to get team 1, team 2 and result separately. So team 1, so index, and this is our input argument. Row will be 0, column will be 1. So you get the teams. So team 1, and I'll try to get the score for team 1, that is text b4, and this is our text, and telling it is this. So you get 1. So what I'll do, I'll just say instead of c2, just use index, get this entire part, and so you get 1, 9, 4, 6 and so on. So this team 1 is good. So what I'll do, I'll just paste take this. Sorry, this is error 1, this is error 2, and go. We can do the same thing in this section. I'll use 2 and text after. So this is going to be our team 2 name versus score. Now we can do this piece taking. So piece tag, this is going to be one input argument, and this is going to be another input argument. So team name versus. Now we need to summarize this data. So we can say unique index of this. Find the first one. This will be 0, column will be 1. It's going to be this. So we have the team name, and now we can have this count. So these are unique team name. Now we can just say that is going to be sum if, and this is going to be this is going to be our range. Criteria is this one, and this is going to be our, and then the sum range is this one. So that is this data 0 0 0 0, and this is 0 because these are being treated as a text. So we just need to convert this into value. So value, and you can see that we get the number. We need to do the same thing in this one as well. So value, and then this. So 16, 31, 11, 25 and 24. Now we need to do this piece stacking. But before that, we need to change this to use index. So index, and that is this S2 is this area, and 0 column 1, and we need to this one to this, and just replace this with 2. So that is 16, 31, 11, and so on. So this is unique and this is their sum. I can just do this in a single step using H stack, and that is going to be this one. Then I don't understand. Oh, sorry. This is unique team's name. Oh, okay. Let's keep this in the separate steps. So we need team's name, team's goal, team name and goal. So that is going to be H stack. This is one, and this is another. So that is this. Now we need to sort this. Sort index to, let's see. So it's different sorting direction. Sorry. So we get our expected output. Now this is our expected output, team name and goal. So I'll generate a lambda and resume from there. And here is our generated lambda for this, only considering this as input. So I can just save this as a new name manager, that is team goal. And let's try this team goal with this, and this is our expected output. So that's it for this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.